Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 1994 to 2001 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer's safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt and lift the cab and bed. Step 3. If the center cab mount, rear cab mount, or the front bed mount need replacement, cut them off now. If not, remove the corresponding perforations on the frame section. Step 4. Slide the frame section in place on the frame rail. Use the holes for alignment. Step 5. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the frame section in place, then weld all edges fully. If any parts were removed in Step 3, install the replacements now. Finally, paint the part with rust inhibitor. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall the cab and bed.